so I want to take a few minutes and I want to tell you guys all about this desk that's going to be able to raise and lower down. With the instructions, with the tools, and with everything you need. You don't need anything else. Everything is right there. And on each of the plastic bags that all the pieces are on, it has a number. And so it makes it really easy to be able to put everything together. But the other thing that I really like with it is it has the tabs that you're going to be able to clip up onto all the wires to be able to stick them to the top. So that way you don't have to worry about any of the wires falling down, especially because this is electric. And so you're going to be able to raise and lower it just with using this keypad over here, which I really like. And it's also going to be able to sustain up to 80 kilograms. And so just for demonstration purposes, I am going to just plug it right here for you guys. So I'm really excited because I am redoing my office and super excited for this because right now I'm just stuck sitting down. So you can hear once you plug it in, the beeping is just kind of getting everything set up. But now I'm going to show you guys all about these controls up here. All right, so let's say you are down at this height and this is your favorite height, okay? And you really like that one. You're going to be able to hold down one of these buttons and you hear the beep. So now it's going to be set. So you're going to have 4 presets that you're going to be able to set. So I make sure it's the height that you want right away. See how tall this is. So I am 5'2", so obviously I probably won't ever need that at this height, but I really do like the fact that it's going to be able to be so tall for you. If all of a sudden you want to really quickly get to your spot that you like and you just you found it, you like where it's at, like right here, this is probably the height that I really like if I'm standing. So that's actually the one that I'm going to set as number 1 for me. And that way, and that's at 92. And so that way, this is the one, whenever I get to it, if I want to get to the standing position, I can just hit that. So let's bring it down some more here. And so if I'm there and all of a sudden I want it to that spot, I just hit number 1 and it's going to automatically go right to where I want it. So absolutely love this. I feel like this is going to be great because a lot of times when you're sitting at your desk, you're sitting down in a chair and I'm like, oh, sometimes I just want to be able to do some work standing up. And so this is going to be absolutely great to be able to do that. The other thing that it also has, it has these spots right back here to where you're going to be able to put wires through. So I like that. It's going to be very nice. That way if you have a printer up here or if you have your computer, if you have any other wires, you're going to be able to feed them through. So if you guys are looking for a desk that's going to be really easy to put together with, has the nice woodwork, very sturdy frames, it's going to be able to hold a lot of weight. And it's going to be nice and easy electric, so that way just with the touch of a button, you're going to be able to raise it or lower it to the desired height. Definitely recommend getting this one. I am such a fan of it and I cannot wait to get it in my office.
can stand up and work at that height.